Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be sharing with you the Disney Princess trading card game. We've got several different things that we are going to be like unwrapping. I think we've got like a starter pack and loads of packets of cards basically. So yeah, we're going to be sharing all of that with you and all of the cards we got. So yeah, if you are interested then please keep on watching. Okay, so we have here on the left we've got the starter pack. It says that this includes the 5 stand-up cards, a collector's guide, game mat, collector binder and 1 packet of cards. This is just what that looks like, and this is £5 I believe. And then here we've got 10 packets of cards. Each pack has 8 cards in and they just look like this. Apparently you get 7 regular cards and a sparkly shimmer card, and yeah, they're £1 each like I said, and you can get them from like WH Smith, Asda I believe, and yeah. And then here we just have another like starter pack of 5 packets of cards. Apparently you get a super sparkly limited edition card rather, and yeah, I think that was £5 as well.
Yep.
So we are going to open our respective packets and we will be right back. So in total we have 17 packs of cards, including the little pack that you get with the starter pack. Now, just looking at the starter pack here, I think it comes with the little front cover for your binder. Just looks like this, it's really pretty. And then obviously you get your pack, and as you can see this one has the limited edition Beauty and the Beast card, but we'll get into that in a sec. Let's give those to Jake.
Loads of packs.
We then have this. This is in Italian, I believe. Oops. Yep. I think these are just instructions, and it has like a butterfly on it. I don't really know what I'm supposed to do with those. Oh, I see. Okay.
It must be to do with the game.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So you just get these. Some of them have popped out, so that's fine. Just says pop out the castle on the front. Fold card wherever you see, fold here. And this is obviously for the trading card game, so that's really cool. Just looks like that. Then we have, yeah. Oh, I think have I already done that?
You said about the front cover for it.
Okay, so that must have been the back cover then. Okay. So now you get the folded 2 and that just looks like that. We've put the back one in. And then you open it up and it's just got all your little laminated thingamabobbins.
Slots for the cards.
That's that. And then we have the trading card game itself. I will just open that up and we will be back. So this is kind of what it looks like. We will insert another clip in a second of what the whole thing actually looks like zoomed out I guess.
This I imagine will be player 1 and player 2.
Yeah. And it's also got another colour on the other side, which is really cool. So yeah, and then here we just have the little collector's guide. Just looks like this. It's just kind of like a regular magazine I guess. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, it folds out actually. So here we have just some information about the cards and some stand-up card information. And
that's cool.
Yeah, a little interactive bit where you can put your photo here and describe yourself. And I think it opens out even more. Oh, blimey. And then here you have all of the available cards, I believe, and just some quizzes, some pictures.
So that's a checklist, so you can tick them off as you go.
That's
so
really cool, isn't it?
What you need, what you've got.
Yeah, so now we will get on to opening some card packets. So we're both opening a packet at a time. I'm just opening the one that comes with the little starter pack where you get the folder and all that. So we both opened a packet each, and as you guys can see I've got this very nice shimmery jasmine card. And then I've just got, is still from Brave, Mulan, Tangled, Cinderella, Pocahontas, The Little Mermaid, Aladdin, and then I have the limited edition Beauty and the Beast card.
So I have these ones, which is Jasmine,
Yeah.
from Aladdin.
We both have the same card there, so
this is Brave. I've never seen this myself. What about you?
yeah, I really like that film. I haven't seen it in a while though.
This will be one of Maddie's favourites, maybe, from Mulan.
Yes. The next one's probably my favourite so far. I love Mulan, I think it's hilarious. And then Brave again.
And
So pretty. I love that one. And Cinderella. These are so gorgeous. For £1 a pack as well, I'm really, really impressed. So here I've got another scene from Aladdin. Ursula from The Little Mermaid. Pocahontas again. Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. Princess and the Frog. I love this film. Oh my god. Tangled. Mulan. And then I have a shiny Jasmine again.
is that the same one?
I think so, yeah.
So I have this from Aladdin, which is Genie and Jafar.
Ooh.
What's that bit?
That's it's legally binding contract. That's so funny with Miko.
I've not seen this film.
Oh, it's hilarious.
Snow White.
That's a pretty card.
Is that Rapunzel or not?
Yeah, yeah. Sleeping Beauty.
What's that?
It's Brave again. Her 3 little brothers get turned into little bears. So funny.
And Ariel again.
Cool.
We seem to be getting quite a few doubles
Yes.
already.
So I've got this scene from Aladdin. Sleeping Beauty. Beauty and the Beast. Yay! Snow White. Princess and the Frog. Cinderella. Oh, and I've got Belle. Yay! Oh, I'm so happy. And I've also got this one from Beauty and the Beast. So, yeah. I don't know if you can see that. It's quite dark, but I think it's where Belle enters the castle.
And now I've got another scene from Aladdin. Little Mermaid. Pocahontas. Princess and the Frog.
Yeah. Tangled. Mulan. Brave again, got that one I think. Ooh!
Who's this?
That's Mulan again.
Oh, that's her.
Yeah. And then she's with Mushu.
Yes. I don't know who any of them are.
That's alright. So Jake is kind of like just getting into Disney. It's been something that I've been into since I was a kid because I'm like a girly girl and I guess he isn't, but needless to say, but yeah, so he's kind of learning as we go along. But I've got this one from Aladdin, The Little Mermaid, Beauty and the Beast, Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs, Sleeping Beauty. Oh, I love this one. How cute.
That's cool.
Yeah. Oh, and I've got Aurora. Ooh, nice. And another one from the live action Beauty and the Beast.
I've got another one from Brave. Sleeping Beauty.
Ooh, Pocahontas.
Cinderella. Mulan. Brave. Aurora.
Oh, it's a different one though. Like,
Oh yeah.
she has like a different pose. Ooh.
And my first live action Beauty and the Beast, which is Belle with her father.
Yeah. So I've got this little image from Aladdin. I think this is when he meets Genie for the first time. And then I've got this scene from Snow White. This one again from Princess and the Frog. Tangled. Mulan. Cinderella. Oh, and I've got Merida from Brave. So that's cool. And then I've got the dancing scene from live action Beauty and the Beast.
And I have the little monkey from Aladdin.
A boo!
Ursula,
Yeah.
the Little Mermaid. No idea who they are from Pocahontas.
Miko and... oh my god, what is his name? I can't remember. I can't remember the name of the pug.
The little rats from Cinderella.
The mice. The mice. We're going to meet them
They're
at Disney
upside down
World.
for some reason.
Oh yeah.
Another Cinderella scene. I think we've had this one.
Yes.
Tangled. Mulan. And Aurora again.
Yeah,
3 times in a row.
I think we've already got that one, haven't we? So I've got this card from Aladdin. Little Mermaid. Ooh, it's Gaston. Cinderella again. And then Tangled. Mulan. Mulan again. And I've got Tiana. Ooh.
And I have another scene from Brave. The Little Mermaid again. Pocahontas. Cinderella. Mulan. Brave. Rapunzel.
Oh, Rapunzel.
And
Ooh,
Beauty and the Beast again.
So I've got this one from Brave. Mulan. Tangled. Ooh, this is I love this one. Look at that. Jasmine and Raja. Pocahontas again. Sleeping Beauty. Aladdin. And another Rapunzel one.
Is that a different one?
This one's limited edition apparently. So that's cool. Yeah.
Another one from Aladdin.
Sleeping Beauty.
Beauty and the Beast. Snow White. Tangled. Sleeping Beauty.
Ooh.
Sleeping Beauty again. And
Ariel.
Ariel with Flounder.
Cute.
One of my favourites.
I have another scene from Brave. Snow White.
That's cool.
Oh yeah, Cinderella. Tangled. Sleeping Beauty. Cinderella. I've got Merida. And I've got Lumiere from the live action film.
Yep, another one from The Little Mermaid. Pocahontas. Snow White. Cinderella. Beauty and the Beast.
Oh, I love that one.
Sleeping Beauty. Cinderella. And Belle.
I love that. Ooh, nice.
So yeah, that's all the packs opened.
Yeah, so now we are going to pop these in our little folder and we will be right back. So that is what our finished Disney Princess trading card little collection looks like at the moment. We've just got our little booklet here. I guess it's called a booklet, right?
Yeah.
Catalogue? I don't really know what to call it. But yeah.
So if you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Bye.